What is up, YouTube? I don't even know if you can see me because it's early, but today I'm hitting up yard sales looking for stuff to sell online for a profit. Let's go. I hear you. I hear you. Is the receiver in here?
Yeah.
What are you asking for it?
It didn't work with the speakers I had.
What are you asking for it? How much are you asking for it? I'm looking for one for my garage, so I might insult you if I make you an offer. I'm thinking like 20 bucks.
I'll take 20 bucks.
For real? Alright. That'll work. Now I'm assuming everything's there.
Yeah, it's all there, the remote's there, everything's there.
Perfect, perfect. Well, this was going to be for the garage until I looked up comps on eBay. This is a Denon or Denon AVR 791. Looks like they sell pretty well too. There's 10 listed, 12 sold. So definitely a pretty good find. And yes, I did see the Teddy Ruxpin. I've not had good luck with those. And I think they wanted like $15 for it. So it's too much for me. $50 your bottom dollar on the golf clubs?
No, which one do you want?
A dollar?
All I can tell you is they train to hit them straight.
Are they? Well, darn, I might give you $1 million for them. I can't do that. Do 40 on them?
Yeah, I'll be 40 on them.
I'll take them. I'll take them. Anytime I see Cleveland golf clubs at a garage sale, I get a little excited. These were no different. This is a set of Cleveland CG Gold MCT irons. You can see the comps on eBay. They sell pretty good. Also, bonus, there was a set of Cleveland Mashie fairway woods in there that should pay for the whole bag. How much are your shoes?
$2.
Sold. How much are these guys?
25 for those.
25.
Or make me a deal.
You're 20 for these two pair? Nikes in the boots?
I'll do 25. 25.
Kids Nike Air Max for $2. Pretty good deal. I'll take that. Ariat boots, normally a good pickup, but for $23, maybe not this time. If I put the style number in eBay, I see that none are listed and one pair is sold, and it sold at auction for $16. That's not good news. But if I search by description, I do find a pair that sold for $76. So the jury's still out on these. They are a little dirty, but they should clean up fine, and they're definitely in good condition.
Morning, how are you?
Doing well.
The right size man just
How much are your jackets?
$4 for the jacket. They're all X large, XX larger.
Amazing camera work. I know. Here's a better picture. I typically pick up these vintage Chaps Ralph Lauren pullovers when I can find them. They usually sell pretty quick for me. Paid $4 for this one.
I bought her a bed. It was a beautiful gray.
It's champagne, like with the mirrors and everything.
Yeah, one of those giant mirrors.
Yes, ma'am.
on the wall.
I'm a princess.
At least you know it.
It's okay.
Yes, charger. Yes. Found the Nintendo DS Lite and I paid $35 for it, which is probably too much, but it was in mint condition. It had apparently been kept in that case for its entire life, and it even came with a game that was surprisingly worth some money.
¿Me llevaré la sabanita, doña? Sí. No está cara.
$250.
I love buying golf clubs, but I just couldn't justify these.
No, I showed him the new vacuum that I wanted, and he was like, I'm not buying you that for Christmas.
Okay, so here.
Yes, yeah, give me your phone number or something, and I'm sure we'll find it. We just moved in August, and it's been nuts. We have very little time. I understand.
Well, that should, oh, that's what I was doing. That releases back. I was thinking there.
I see golf balls and shoes, no clubs for sale?
No clubs for sale.
Gotcha.
We can't let those go.
I understand.
I decided golf does not like me as much as I like golf. Yeah. My wife got me a new set, and I'm like, at least I look the part.
How much are these?
$5.
What's your clubs?
15 for those, and then 10 for the other little set there.
Okay.
McGregor is not typically one of those high-end golf brands that you should be on the lookout for. Now, there are exceptions, but anytime you can find a set of kids clubs that look basically new for $15, that's an easy yes. Worst case scenario, this is a $50 local Facebook flip, but I'm going to put them on eBay. Comps look pretty good. And that was all the sales for this weekend. It was definitely more of a quality over quantity kind of thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for riding along. If you do enjoy content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out, because we're going to do this as much as possible and as soon as possible. Have a great one. See you next time.